Oh, there it is. Secret life. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. The next mob you see, aggressive or neutral, is now your pet. You must properly take care of it by feeding it and taking it for walks. So I need to make sure I don't see anything for a while. The second I see a mob... Does Etho count as a mob? Right, we got one of them. And actually what we need is one of those. I've just realised I failed my task. I've just failed my task. I can't believe this. Unless I can't do this. I failed my task instantly. You're never going to believe this. I haven't failed my task. Oh, what have I done? Why did I go to the nether with this task? What is wrong with me? So it's my pet, right? Can I not put him in a cage or a vivarium or something like that?